What's up, Maniacs? So today we are going to try and tackle the flicker that occurs on startup in those new Union Jack tail lights. So we're going to launch Bimmercode. We're going to use our V-Gate Bluetooth ODBII adapter, and we're going to see if we can get rid of that flicker on startup. I think it's going to be in the settings, but we'll find out. So we're going to launch into our Bimmercode app. We're going to click connect. We've already got the V-Gate Bluetooth device connected, ODB device connected. So we go to the front electronic module. And when that loads, we're gonna scroll down, driving mode, engine start, lighting, mirrors, seat heating, voltage monitoring. We're looking for the voltage monitoring section. We're looking for adaptive brake light cold monitoring. We're gonna change that from active to not active. Hit OK, scroll up there to the top, and hit code. So the car's coding itself right now, and then the engine will shut off, the ECU will reset, and then we'll go try it out, see if it worked. So that's it. It looks like it works. It gets rid of that flicker on startup. So it's just checking. It's the initial start cold, so the cold monitoring. If we turn that to not active for the brake force display, we don't get that ugly flicker at startup, and everything is good. So I'm still working on solving the blinker / brake issue, and we'll put that video up as soon as we have that result. But that's what we got for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, any of those things below, and wave to minis when you see them.